Wait, you clicked on the right video. In this video, I'm going to show you 100% real and genuine ways to make money online. And if you actually want to start earning online, then watch this video till the end without skipping. I'm saying this for a reason, because the moment you skip, you're the one who loses. You become part of that same group of people who spend their entire day just scrolling, watching, and never actually changing anything. So for the next few minutes, I want you to do something different. Just focus on my voice. Forget what's happening on the screen. Forget what's going on around you. Block everything out for a moment and give your full attention to this, because what I'm about to share can genuinely change the way you think about making money online. Now let me ask you something. How many times have you searched how to make money online? How many videos have you watched, hoping this one would finally be different, and yet nothing really changed? Not because you're not capable, but because most of what you see online is either incomplete, unrealistic, or simply designed to get views. Nobody really explains the full picture. Nobody tells you what it actually takes, what works, what doesn't, and how to start from $0 without confusion. That's exactly what we're going to fix in this video. Let's get one thing clear right from the start. Making money online is real. People are doing it every single day. Some people are making an extra $100 a month. Some are making $1,000. And some are even making $10,000 or more. But it's not magic. It's not instant. And it's definitely not passive in the beginning. If you come into this thinking you'll press a few buttons and money will start flowing, you're going to be disappointed. But if you come into this with the mindset that you're going to learn, apply, and stay consistent, then this can literally change your life. The biggest mistake beginners make is chasing too many things at once. One day it's dropshipping, the next day it's crypto, then it's affiliate marketing, then something else. They keep jumping from one thing to another without giving anything enough time to actually work. Imagine trying to make $10,000 online by doing 10 different things at once. It doesn't work like that. The people who succeed online focus on one path and go deep into it. So let's talk about the first real way to make money online, especially if you're starting from $0, and that is freelancing. Freelancing is the fastest way to turn your time and skills into money. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to invest money, and you don't need to wait 4 months to get started. You just need a skill that someone else is willing to pay for. And here's the important part. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know enough to solve a small problem. Right now, there are thousands of people and businesses paying for simple services every day. Video editing, thumbnail design, writing captions, managing social media pages, basic graphic design, even simple tasks like data entry. These are skills you can learn in a few days. And once you learn them, you can start offering them online. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to connect with clients from all over the world. In the beginning, you might charge $5, $10, or $20 for a service, and that's completely fine. Your goal is not to make $1,000 on day one. Your goal is to make your first $10, then your first $50, then your first $100. Once you reach that point, your mindset changes, because now you know this is real. And from there, you can start increasing your prices and scaling up. Now let's move to the second method, which is content creation. This is one of the most powerful ways to build income online in 2026. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have made it possible for anyone to build an audience and turn that attention into money. But this is not a short-term strategy. You're not going to make $1,000 in your first week. This takes time. In the beginning, your videos might get 10 views, maybe even less, and that's normal. Every successful creator started like that. The difference is, they didn't quit. They kept posting, improving, and learning. Over time, one video may get 100 views, then 1,000, then 10,000. And once you build an audience, the income opportunities grow. You can earn through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and even your own products. The third method is using AI to make money online. This is one of the biggest trends right now. AI tools can help you write content, generate ideas, create videos, and automate tasks. For example, you can create a YouTube channel without showing your face. You can use AI to generate scripts, voiceovers, and visuals, and upload videos consistently. But let's be real, AI is not going to make you $10,000 overnight. It's a tool, not a shortcut. You still need to understand what you're doing, stay consistent, and improve over time. The people who are making money with AI are the ones who treat it like a business, not a hack. Another powerful way to make money online is selling digital products. This is where you create something once and sell it multiple times. For example, an ebook that sells for $10. If 100 people buy it, that's $1,000. If 1,000 people buy it, that's $10,000. And you only created it once. Digital products can be anything: ebooks, courses, templates, guides, anything that solves a problem. The key is value. If your product helps people, they will pay for it. And the best part is, there's no inventory, no shipping, and very high profit margins. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. You don't need your own product. You simply promote someone else's product and earn a commission. For example, if you promote a product that costs $100 and you earn a 10% commission, you make $10 per sale. If 100 people buy through your link, that's $1,000. You can promote products through YouTube videos, blogs, or social media. But the key here is trust. People will only buy through your link as they trust your recommendation. So always promote products that are actually useful. Now let's talk about what you should avoid, because this is where most beginners lose time and money. Stay away from anything that promises fast and easy money. If someone tells you that you can make $1,000 in one day with no effort, it's probably not real. There are no shortcuts. Instead, focus on building something real, a skill, an audience, or a product. These are the things that actually make money online. At this point, you might be thinking, which method should I choose? The answer is simple. If you want to make your first $100 quickly, start with freelancing. If you want to build something long-term, go with content creation. If you're interested in tools and automation, explore AI. And if you want scalable income, focus on digital products. But whatever you choose, stick to it. Don't switch after a few days. Give it time to work. In the first month, you might not make anything. In the second month, you might make $50 or $100. And by the third or fourth month, things can start to grow. The problem is, most people quit before they reach that stage. So think about your future. 6 months from now, you can either still be at $0, still scrolling, still watching videos, or you can be someone who took action and started building income online. Maybe you're making $500 a month, maybe $1,000, maybe even more. But it all starts with that first step. There is no perfect time to start. There is no perfect plan. There is only action. So don't wait. Don't overthink. Just start. Because at the end of the day, the difference between people who make money online and people who don't is very simple. One group takes action and the other keeps watching. So the question is, which one are you going to be? Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and the methods shared are based on general knowledge and experience. Results are not guaranteed and may vary from person to person, depending on effort, skills, and consistency. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions.